Hello friends, welcome to Archie Traders, and today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with electronic e-waste. So last time I did two videos regarding this. Like in one video I mentioned about Gravita India. In another video I mentioned about Ecoreco, a recycling company. And today we are going to see some important updates regarding with e-waste. So latest updates and one another company also. So first one we are looking to see past data. So what in 2017 we have, like in that the highest waste producing companies are China, US, Japan and India, which is regarding with 2017. Now we are going to see the latest updates about the e-waste. So if you see here the article which was published recently, in this they mentioned the e-waste is a most valuable thing, and they mentioned it was like 57.4 million metric tons of e-waste was generated in 2021, and they are expecting like it will grow. So on an average 2 metric ton a year, but still they are expecting 347 metric million metric tons of unrecycled e-waste on earth in 2022. So why they mention means this e-waste, this is the waste which they what you call they recycled or they collected like that. So which is, this one is like a particularly from the garbage, like from the first initial stage of e-waste started from that, this much of e-waste is still on earth. So this is only by 2021 only. So this is total, and in which China, US, India also entered into in this space, which is generating more e-waste, and only 17% is collected and properly recycled. So recycling of these higher things, so these are most dangerous what you call materials or minerals like that. So if you see here e-waste generation, so continuously they are expecting the move, which is like heavily. So going forward the recycling of this material is very much needed thing. So at least that 347.18 million metric tons uncycled is still on earth. So how much what you call business and how much scope, how much future is available if a company can process, can collect the recycled things properly, which gives you a extraordinary returns in coming days. And friends, if you observe here, present we are having a great future on e-waste, like on e-waste recycling. And in India, electronic hub, so already you seen like iPhone manufacturers are Dixon Technologies, so many companies are entering into India to manufacture their electronic devices, so where we get like something e-waste also. So and there are a few other possibilities also in e-waste. So will e-waste continue to increase in future? Obviously. So as you all know, the world is running towards artificial intelligence and machine learning things. So due to integration of IT in equipments. Like if you see previously an automobile which doesn't have any IT support, but now if you observe in car or any scooter also, even scooter also now providing like document storage and Google Maps and a screen, HDMI screen. So these all are things which will have inside an electronic devices must and should. So and recently washing machines also using artificial enabled capabilities. So due to all these features, so due to the increase in like dependency on technology, which gives wings for the electronic manufacturing also. So I am expecting, friends, it is going to be a very good thing if we invest now in a e-cycling electronic waste recycling companies. And if you observe here in the past experience, like in the past of my videos, I mentioned so many things like green energy and like KPIT companies and Tata Elixir. So those companies which given multi-bagger returns, who hold it for 2 to 3 years. So still they are continue their legacy in present condition also, which you see in global ration and everything. But friends, majorly what you have to see is balance sheet, so which is very important thing. So still, you know, this is a sector which we are looking, but still you have to follow the balance sheet. Why? Because so if you observe here, this is POCL uh, enterprises company, so which you are looking now. So this company performing very well, and the balance sheet also very well. I am going to show you. Next I am talking about another stock which is Cerebra. So uh, in that company, the performance is not at all a good thing. So this one, so due to that, even a pump up happened from here, but the stock continuously going to fall, continuously going to fall. So this is what happens. Even the sector is performing, few companies will not perform. So due to that, we are going to lose our money. So this company's performance is not at all a good. But if you observe here the performance of this company, uh, so you see here, I'm going to show you the performance of the company. So financials, see the quarterly total revenue. So see here, 95 crores, 85, 32, 79, 94, 114, 83, 119, 146, 148, 157. So continued revenue improvement is there in their numbers. And next thing, the net profits also increasing slowly, slowly, slowly. So this is how whenever a business, so actually we missed this company last time, but after some research on this, so I got it now. But still friends, so I am going to tell you how to enter into the stock. So you already know everything about those e-waste in our last discussions also. And if you see here, which country produces most e-waste, and they're recycling, so China, US, and we have only 1% recycling rate. So if you observe here, there is a huge scope for India to give like recycling most possibilities, like to scale up these recycling plants or recycling business. So we are mentioning if we reach like 52%, even if we reach 16 to 15% also, we are going to see a huge up move in this sector. So what I mean to say is, so first of all, pick like three companies. So one is POEL, so which is performing well, right? So keep this 15-day moving average, and if you have chance, the stock will go below to this 50-day moving average. And if you reach at this level 104, so you can enter at huge money, huge money. You can enter at huge money. That means that's with your capability. Like if you are investing 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40, 50, 60, 1 lakh, like that. But if you want to ride this thing, you need to invest small amount now, 1 by 4th of your investment. And after company numbers, I hope company will perform well in this quarter also. And if you think that these are the volumes which came due to some big players entry, you can take few portion here itself. Or let's wait for below to enter at this level, like 100 rupees. And the next one is Gravita India. So make these three companies. I am going to tell you three companies as a bunch. So see here. So recently it came down to 300 and again moved up. So friends, this 15-day EMA on daily candles is one of the best thing you can look. And I last time also mentioned, like you can use like 44 EMA crossover. Like if you keep this, and you can change the number like this 44, and keep this as a red line. And you will see here like crossover. So this 15-day or 7-day moving average need to cross this 44 moving average, then only you need to exit from the stock. See here, after this, like we done long back when the stock is around like 200, like that only. So after this rally, we are going to see a huge like up rally and down rally. So again see here, so I think below this we suggested. So this is the up rally. So when we book, this is the profit booking. So we have to book here. When you have entered, this is the, so whenever this crosses above to this, you can enter here and keep your recent low as your stop loss. Like you are already a investor, right? So you need to keep some big stop loss. So this is how you can save your number. So see here, this is a huge buying here. So that's the reason stock move a higher levels. I think it is going to break this level, but market conditions are not good position. Due to that, it is moving in this tight range. If you observe here, 340 to 370. So this is a tight range that stock is moving now. And another one is POCL, Gravita India, and Ecoreco. So see here, Reco. So see here, Ecoreco recycling. So see here, a good volumes here on Ecoreco. So maybe some big players entry or anything which you consider. So itana volumes, like small retail investors cannot build like 334K. I am expecting like big players entry. And friends, this is a zigzag move. So even the stock moves from 90 rupees to a certain level, so profit booking happened and this came below. But this move is a trend line move which you consider as a very good thing. So see here, this is a trend line, so which is good, maybe. So this is a good trend line. You can take trend line like this also. So this is also a good one to enter. So this is also a trend line you can take. So that's how, friends. So these are the three stocks. Make a separate portfolio or like that, and keep some 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 in each stock with certain stop loss. So you can get good investment returns in coming future. Thank you.